we have asked for a judicial inquiry to be put up, and this inquiry will look into all the aspects of the case, and it will look into the roles that are played by every single individual. So when a judicial inquiry is put in, it is very, very independent and a very powerful inquiry committee in nature. So therefore, whatever action needs to be taken, we will decide once the judicial inquiry submits its report. We are just waiting for confirmation from the concerned individuals who we have identified, and looking at all the options that are there. And based on that, as soon as we get the confirmation, so even if the confirmation, say suppose, comes as early as today, then it will be instituted today itself. If it comes tomorrow, it will be instituted tomorrow. But as I said, the decision has been made that the inquiry will be. Now it's only an administrative procedure that is left, where we require the consent of the concerned individuals to be part of this committee. Once the consent is come in, it will be immediately notified.